home buyers, this market is hot and inventory is low and not nearly as beautiful as this house. Let's go check out 22 Souhegan Drive. This Cape is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home that has been completely remodeled. Check out this kitchen. All new granite countertops, cabinets, hardwoods throughout have been completely refinished. It has brand new windows. It also has a breezeway and attached garage. If you want more info, call, text, or email, or you can click the link below and I'll help make this home yours.